Have you ever wondered how to have a perfect day at Harry Potter World?
Well, if you have, hit that like button and join us for a perfect day at Harry Potter World.
For most people, the perfect day at Harry Potter World is going to consist of a butterbeer, but for me they're a bit too sweet, so I always like to go for the Hogshead. There's a myriad of different food and drink options offered within the Wizarding World. I highly recommend being adventurous and trying as many different things as you can. The Wizarding World of Harry Potter has some of the best rides that Universal has to offer. Even if you aren't a fan of rides, I highly recommend that you at least go through the queues. As a Harry Potter fan, you are guaranteed to be blown away. The footage you see here is in the queue for the Forbidden Journey. This is the oldest ride offered within the Wizarding World, but if you are a true fan, you've got to give it a try. Fair warning though, this one is known to make people a little queasy. Another classic ride here at the Wizarding World of Harry Potter is the Escape from Gringotts. The level of detail that Universal has put into this queue is outstanding. As you walk through this queue, you feel like you've stepped right into the movies at Gringotts Bank.
To have your Gringotts identification photo taken. Then, proceed to the large office at the end of the corridor, where an assistant will prepare your first visit to the vault.
Truth be told, there isn't a single outline for the perfect day in the Wizarding World of Harry Potter. Everyone is going to find enjoyment in different ways. For me, simply being in the parks is enough to make a perfect day. Between the scenery, sounds, smells, and different food offerings, I always feel like I've been transported into the magical world of Harry Potter. If you were planning a trip to the Wizarding World of Harry Potter, I wouldn't dwell too much on trying to make the perfect plan. Just make sure you give yourself a couple of days to explore, and beyond that, just do what sounds fun at the time. I don't think it's possible to have a bad day in the Wizarding World of Harry Potter. I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it's a short one, but we have some longer form content coming up next to show off our trip on the Wonder of the Seas. So, give us a like and subscribe, and then be on the lookout for those videos next. Until then, enjoy a bit more footage of Harry Potter World.
Weasleys, they do a naming ceremony when you buy it.
And I will do that next.